Packing for a solo trip requires a mindful approach, striking the right balance between practicality and preparedness without overpacking. It's all about being strategic with your choices and ensuring you have everything you need without carrying unnecessary weight. The key is to pack light, choosing versatile items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Think about layering and how each piece can serve more than one purpose. This way, you can adapt to different situations and weather conditions without needing a bulky suitcase. Start with the essentials: comfortable walking shoes, weather-appropriate clothing, a versatile jacket or sweater, and a small backpack for daily excursions. These items form the foundation of your travel wardrobe, ensuring comfort and practicality as you explore new destinations. Pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated on the go, and consider a compact first aid kit with essential medications and toiletries. Staying healthy and hydrated is crucial, especially when you're on the move and might not have easy access to these necessities.